This alien is the first geogan ever revealed on the series. This geogan's name is mutasect. It was first revealed after Samoga was attempted to unleash the power of the ancient geogan power that had been shown in ancient times for thousands of years. Yeah? Not yet! I'll call him. Let me just grab my phone. Give me a minute. Ready now. Hey Dad, look, I have my job in a few minutes, so is it okay if you pick me up? I have my job at 2 p.m., so it's okay if you pick me up? Okay. Alright then. See you then. Alright then. Now we draw the arms here. I'm not hungry now. Yeah? Okay then. Got the thingy done. Meatloaf's good. Alexa, resume playing.
Resuming Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira Jam.
I am ready,
Amazon
Mom.
Music.
I'm in the middle of recording something. Yeah, I did. Got the upper half done. Now we draw the tail. And finish! That is how you draw a mutasect. Alexa, what is a dragonfly?
A dragonfly is a flying insect belonging to the order Odonata, infraorder Anisoptera. Adult dragonflies are characterized by a pair of large, multifaceted compound eyes, 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings, sometimes with colored patches, and an elongated body.
Alexa, stop. And there he is. That is how you draw a mutasect. Be sure to like your block and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always here. I'm never going to stop until they're all complete. Stegosaurus, see you later, and stay tuned for the next geogan episode.